Oh man, I got another good video for you guys. Hold up. Now this is the question for you. Are you ready to start an interesting new job as an IT support person? Well, if you are, then you're going to love this video, because here are the top 3 entry-level jobs in technology support and debugging that can help you get started in the IT support field. So whether you are a recent grad or someone who wants to change careers and get into tech, break into tech, guys, this video is for you.
I love that.
And you want to watch the entire video, because I'm going to talk about many possibilities that there are out there for you. But before we get started, my name is Antoine Wade and I run the Elevate to the Unknown YouTube channel. And if you like this sort of content, because we are bringing you that value and helping you to get into tech and to find jobs, go ahead and hit that like button. Not only that, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because we drop videos just like this on a Tuesday and a Thursday. And we also do a live stream over the weekends to help you elevate in your career. Now guys, it's time to jump right into the video. Let's get started. Coming in at number 3 is a computer technician. Computer technicians are super important in the tech world because they help with computers and networks just about everywhere. And these guys work in various places, like for the government, nonprofit organizations, and businesses that need computer support. And their main task and job responsibility is to set up new computers, install programs, and keeping security tight and solving technical issues that may arise. They also help new employees figure things out and teach non-IT folks how to use new tech stuff. If you think of tech as a huge complex puzzle, computer technicians are the experts making sure that every piece fits perfectly, keeping everything running smoothly across different jobs. And the average salary for a computer technician, because it is an entry-level role, typically for those that are working inside of a college or doing an internship, because sometimes it is a part-time role, is around $25,000 a year, which also means that these guys can quickly navigate to that of a help desk specialist or an IT support specialist. Computer technicians need a wide range of skills to be able to work with all kinds of technology. They may have to work with a cell phone or an Apple or a Android device. They may have to work with a PC or a Mac. But the core skills are putting together devices, setting up software, and fixing problems quickly and correctly. It is also very important for technicians to have good communication skills, since they often have to explain complicated technical issues to people from different work backgrounds. Now, to become a computer technician, you need to have a good foundation in computers. So a degree in computer science, MIS, BIS, CIS, IT is good. Earning a degree or a certification in information technology could be key, but you also want real-world experience, internships, starter jobs. These are crucial because it lets you apply what you've learned in the classroom in real life situations. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros first. The pros: the job is always changing and exciting. Not only that, you get to keep learning and learn new things. Not only that, you get to solve technical problems, which will allow for you to feel a rewarding feeling. Now let's move on to some of the cons. Well, the tech world moves fast, so you need to keep up with it. So continuous learning. Not only that, it's tough to quickly fix problems without missing the small details. Next on the list is a help desk analyst. And a help desk analyst serves as a crucial bridge between end users in the IT department, offering technical assistance to colleagues and clients within a company. And their responsibilities are a wide range of tasks, from aiding in system setup to addressing IT questions and installing new software and hardware. They also are responsible, or they play a pivotal role in documenting and tracking issues using ticketing systems, ensuring that there is a problem resolution to the actual problem that you may be having. And much like a hub of a wheel connects various spokes, a help desk analyst acts as a central point linking users in the IT department in an organization. And this role is essential for maintaining the seamless flow of technical support fostering effective communication and resolving issues promptly. And help desk analysts can make a good amount of money, with the average salary in the US of about $52,000 a year, trending really close to $53,000 a year. To be a rock star as a help desk analyst, you got to be a bit of a tech wizard, knowing your way around computers inside and out. You also need to be able to be a language ninja, turning all that tech gibberish into words that people can actually understand. You also have to be a problem solver, because this is key, like being the Sherlock Holmes of tech issues, but with less mystery and more resetting of passwords. And patience is your best friend, because you'll meet some people who think that turning their computer off or on is some sort of high-tech magic. So let's just say you want to be a help desk analyst. How should you get started? Well, start by hitting the books and grabbing an IT degree or something related, and then snag a certification in IT support, like getting a backstage pass at a concert. You also want to consider internships or a starter gig as your audition to show off your tech chops. Having a good understanding of different operating systems and how to troubleshoot is like having a Swiss Army knife in this job. And remember, the tech world never sleeps, so neither does your learning. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Let's go on to the good stuff, the pros. Every day is a new adventure with different problems to tackle. Not only that, you will level up your tech and your people skills faster than a video game character. And not only that, this role is a launch pad to all sorts of cool IT or tech jobs. Now let's talk about the not so good stuff, the cons. Well, sometimes you'll meet people who are more challenging than the tech problems itself. People can be chaotic at times. Not only that, your work schedule might have you up when owls are your only friends. So you may be working late at nights, guys, when people are actually sleeping. And next and final on the list is a technical writer. And technical writers are professionals who play a pivotal role in bridging the gap between complex technical information and user comprehension. And you can think of a technical writer as the ultimate tech whisperer, and their job is to take super complicated tech talk and turn it into something everyone can actually understand, like turning quantum physics into a comic book. And they hang out with the tech squad and they pick their brains, and then they decide the best way to spill the beans in a way that won't make your head spin. They're the heroes, making sure that you don't need a PhD to follow a user manual. And technical writers can make a good amount of money, about $63,000 on average in the United States. And being a technical writer is like being a tech nerd and a word wizard rolled into one. You need to geek out on the tech stuff enough to understand what's going on under the hood, but also have the word skills to make it sound cool and not like a snooze fest. It's all about digging deep into the facts and getting that straight, and then also playing nice with the tech team to get the inside scoop, because you need to get the inside scoop, and then polishing up those documents until they shine. Now let's talk about how to get started. Well, to get started, you want to hit the books. Think tech writing, journalism, or anything related to getting the brain juices flowing, and then build a killer portfolio that shows off your mad writing skills. And then internships are your golden ticket to real world experience. And then rubbing elbows with tech teams will give you the insider knowledge that you need. You need to stay sharp with the latest document tools and the trends to keep your game strong. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons. Let's start with the pros first. Well, the pros is you get to be the hero who makes tech jargon and that tech babble understandable to the average human. Not only that, you get to work with teams and you're always in the action, making every day a little different. And not only that, there is a need for clear tech writing everywhere, so you can pretty much write your own ticket in the industry. Now let's talk about some of the cons. Well, get ready to go full detective mode, because nailing down the tech details can take some serious research and some serious understanding. Not only that, the tech world never stops turning, so your learning never stops either. And not only that, you get to love it or you hate it, because revising your work is part of the deal or part of the job to make sure that everything's just right, and that can take a long time. So there you have it, guys. These are the top 3 entry-level IT support jobs. That is right, the top 3 entry-level IT support jobs. We hope that this guide helps you to get started in your tech job by giving you useful information and a clear path to follow. And if you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other tech fans. Also, let us know in the comments which IT support job spoke to you the most. Guys, remember this, my name is Antoine Wade and I run the Elevate to the Unknown YouTube channel. And make sure that if you are or you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because we drop videos on a Tuesday and Thursday. And we also do a live stream on the weekends. And we will see you on the next video. Until next time, guys, peace.